Hi, I'm Michael Gressett, your philosophy and religion professor, and I just made this video to reassure you there's a real person at the other end of your Blackboard online course. So let me tell a very short story about how I got interested in all this. I'm 13 years old. It's 1969, and like a lot of kids, I start having questions about religion. So I went to my local library. Every day I'd bring home books about religion. I actually pitched a tent beside my house, and I sat in that tent all summer long reading about religion. And that was pretty interesting. After a while, I thought, man, I need a little nuance here. So I introduced philosophy because religion kind of depends on some kind of authority. Usually there's a scripture or a holy person or something, and you kind of take what they say to be the truth. But philosophy wants to take another look and think critically about the things that religion says. So religion comments on just about everything in this world, and so does philosophy. So we're going to take the two of them and see if we can investigate, if we can enlighten ourselves about some of the deepest problems, the deepest questions that people have in life. Now, it's not a really difficult course, but you do need to read the material, and you do need to take the quizzes, and you do need to contact your professor if you have any questions about the course or any questions about the issues that are raised. And welcome to the course.